How to use LawDepot employment contract templates properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Using LawDepot's employment contract template seems easy, but the surprising truth is that beginners often make mistakes that can lead to disputes, legal violations, or employee dissatisfaction. The first mistake is using a generic template without customization. Employment laws vary by state, industry, and role. Customize clauses on duties, compensation, and benefits to reflect the actual arrangement. Another common error is neglecting confidentiality and non-compete clauses. Failing to include these can expose your business to intellectual property theft or employee competition. Draft clauses carefully, following legal guidelines. Many users overlook termination procedures. Clearly outline notice periods, severance, and grounds for termination to avoid misunderstandings or lawsuits. Skipping employee acknowledgement is another pitfall. Contracts should be signed and dated by both parties. Without proper signatures, enforceability can be compromised. Finally, some assume templates replace professional advice. Complex employment situations, multiple jurisdictions, or regulatory concerns may require attorney review. Use the template as a foundation, not a final solution. To use LawDepot employment contract templates properly, customize terms, include confidentiality and termination clauses, ensure signatures, and seek professional guidance when needed. Avoid these mistakes, and your employment contracts will protect your business and employees effectively.